In the unlikely event you come across a chip in your wall panel, don't panic, it can be fixed. One of the products we highly recommend is called Colour Fill. It's an acrylic gap filler and sealant which can be used to repair small chips or minor scratches in the laminate of our panels. And it's available in a variety of colours, which can be matched to the colour of your Fibo wall panel. So, here's how to repair a chip. Step 1. Clean the damaged area to ensure there's no residue on the surface. Step 2. Squeeze out a liberal amount of colour fill onto your colour fill spatula. Position the spatula behind the area to be repaired and press firmly down onto the surface, pulling the spatula towards you and filling the area with colour fill. Scrape off the overfill from around the damage and draw the spatula across the damage. Step 3. Use a soft cloth with soap and warm water to clean off the overfill around the repair, taking care not to clean out the filled areas. And step 4. For final cleanup, allow 24 hours for the filler to completely harden, and then clean the area again with a soft cloth, soap and warm water. And there we go, the job is done.